Hello friends, good afternoon all of you, and let's start today. Okay, so in previous session we people have a lot of discussions about let's say communication, and mostly we people are focusing on oral communication. So from that point of view, I hope that you are doing something daily, and whatever the problems that you are facing on everyday basis, we just try to discuss those problems in our class only, so that you people will get some kind of, let's say, solution to it, and other people can also understand from what problems you're facing and other people are facing, because those will the problems of everybody, and they can get solution for that also. Okay, so with this, let's begin, let's continue. I think that in previous session we people have done with types of sentences. Okay, uh, and also in that we people have decided to, is it like this, is my voice little, is it audible clearly now? I hope
Yes,
you
sir.
are.
Yes.
Okay. And also we have planned about to present your opinions on a topic you people can choose. Last time 2 to 3 students were ready, that they have said that they will come prepared, so I hope that, I expect that uh, we can spend 10 to 15 minutes in the beginning itself, because at the end we fall short of time, and so we may not be able to get proper time. So in the beginning itself we will complete that activity, and then we'll go for some exercise based on types of sentences, conversion of sentences from one kind to another kind. Okay. So let me see if the students from roll number 39 from division B. Are you here? I think that Krishna, someone. Krishna? Oh, Shambhuraj.
Yes, sir.
Who said last time you are going to just speak something? I think Shambhuraj, not Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Huh. So you can just think of a topic. Are you ready today?
Yes, sir. I decided to talk on one
Yes,
topic.
all right. So you can talk, and I already told you, if you wanted to share the screen, that will be also allowed. But time limit you have to follow. 3 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes will be maximum.
Okay, sir. I'm not going to share, sir. I'm just want to talk.
Yes. All right. Yes, you can start. All of you will
Okay, sir.
listen, and just see. If you have any questions, you can ask questions also. We can have that kind of session also. Yes. Shambhuraji, you go ahead and start your session.
Okay, sir. First of all, thank you, sir, to give me a chance to express my thought. Today, I'm going to talk on the need of web development for the business, or need of website for the business. There are several reasons are there, but I just list out some reasons why we need websites for the business. So let's start with one example. Nowadays, the electricals, bikes, and cars are replacing the petrol and diesel cars and bikes. So in future, our stores and markets get replaced by the e-commerce stores and e-commerce market, we can say. So this is the main reason. Second reason is, if we started a business, and if our business is online, so we can do our business in any part of the world, so we don't have any restriction for it. And third reason is, if we started a business, so if we have our website, so it looks more professional, and people can easily trust on us, because we started the business and we don't have our website. So people are not going to trust on us easily. So it increase the trust of people on our company, or on our business. And last reason is, our business is online, so we can get more customers from the world, so it increase our customers as well as our profit also. So these are some reasons. So for that we need website for our business. Thank you, sir.
Yes, all right. So any questions? Anybody, if you have any questions, you can just ask questions. Okay, fine. There are no questions, but I think that you have done it nice, Shimburaji. And as far as communication is concerned, you were expressing it everything. Maybe a minor mistake. One mistake I could find, that instead of using people, you said peoples, so that is a subconscious mistake, and you just try to work on it, that people itself is plural, and so we need not to go for peoples. That is the only point I just found it out, or all everything was right. And just fluency, a little bit fluency that you have to work on, and I feel that with practice you can overcome that issue. So fluency will not be a matter for you. So you just keep practicing like this, and I'm sure that you just may be able to do anything. If it is any questions, answers also, or if any other topics also, you will be able to present it very nicely. So nice. It
Okay,
was
sir.
nice. Okay, fine. Then who was next? I think that A41. Who was A41?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I take next session? Because, sir,
yes.
because
If it is
from
like
2 days
this,
here is lots of light problems, so I was unable to make PPTs.
it's all right. Okay, then we'll go with, I think Nikita, you are also said that you are interested. So let me know if you're ready.
Yes, sir. Should I share my screen, sir?
Yes, okay.
I have
Let me check whether I have given access or not. I don't know how to. Are you able to share? If you are able to share, you can share. Otherwise, I have to see the settings.
only host or co-host can share, sir.
Okay. Okay. So
You can make me co-host.
now you can.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Today I want to talk about yoga. I make small PPT of it. When we talk about yoga, it comes to under discipline manner. The ancient form of yoga is known as Vedic yoga, which was refined and developed by rishis who documented their practice and beliefs. The modern type of yoga we call like Patanjali. According to several theories, yoga is not just one posture or exercise. It is complete science, which Indians have been using for centuries. Yoga means the unification of physical, mental, intellectual, and spiritual aspects of human beings. Then there are three fundamental elements of yogas called asanas, pranayama, and concentration. When we talk about asanas, asanas are poses which exercise the front, back, and side of our body equally. Then we come to pranayama. Pranayama means control of breath, which leads to deeper breathing, thereby providing the body with more oxygen. It means a pause in the movement of breath. For getting success in pranayama, you need to perfect in practice of asana. It increases spiritual power also and brings cheerfulness and inner peace. It is associated with stress relief. And then about concentration, it is fundamental in yoga. It means the process of holding or fixing the attention of mind onto one object or place. Then we talk about benefits of yoga. There are many benefits of yoga, which includes increases your flexibility, muscle strength, improve your respiration, energy. It also maintains balanced metabolism. Yogic breathing techniques improve your respiration and cardiac functions also. It will help to calm down your mind and it enhance your immunity. Yoga relaxes you. It will also help you to sleep better. In spite of these benefits, you have to follow some basic rules like yoga should be practiced empty stomach. You have to relax 10 seconds at least after each exercise. And in initiating mode, first begin with easy poses and thereafter you can advance to the touch ones. Then you should wear comfortable clothes for practicing yoga, and avoid excessive intake of tea or coffee when you are practicing it. Then if we come to conclusion, then I want to say that yoga teaches the right art of living, how to deal with ourselves and others also. One may learn patience through yoga practice. It brings down the peace, purity, consciousness in one's life. There is nothing that yoga will not help. It is the medicine for every problem. Moreover, it is not just a one practice, or it is like lifelong commitment. Uh, and thank you. Thank you for having me today.
Yes. All right. Any questions? Anybody want to ask? Okay, fine. So there are no questions also. As far as, let's say, topic is concerned, topic is we people can just say is of prime importance, because all we people see that around us every day, people are just suffering from different kinds of problems of their health and different diseases. So all can take note of it and try to practice. But here I'd like to ask that how one can continue with practicing, because though one knows that it is very important and it advantages that all you mentioned, people, many of the people that have a clear idea about these things, but even then also they don't follow this regular practice. So how, what you can suggest in such cases, Nikita?
Sir, it depends upon individual. If it is beneficial for us, we should do it. It enables the students also to have good health, practice mental hygiene, and also possess emotional stability. So if one should want nice daily life, then they should follow the rules.
Yes, all right. So as far as presentation is concerned, very nice presentation you have done. Communication was also fantastic and everything was nice. With practice, you will develop more. Simply, that's for you. There is no much major changes that I would like to suggest you.
Okay, so thank you.
So let me know if anyone is there for next session. Who will be the 2 or 3 candidates who can just prepare. It depends upon you. Topic you people have to choose out of your interest, your area of interest you can choose. And as far as presentation is concerned, it depends upon you whether you want to make PPTs, that is okay. If it is audio, that is also fine. And if you wanted to do in your own way, that is also okay. Importance, our presentation is not that for evaluation for any other purpose, but just for communication and its improvement. So that is only the purpose. So is there anyone who would like to have such sessions for next time? Those who can raise your hands. Okay, so I think that this time only 2 or 3 people interested. Next time there is no one. So I think that maybe I thought like this, that the students will be much more interested and there could be a kind of, let's say, competition that I should get a chance, because we are the class of, let's say, 140 students. Right now only 90 connected. But out of even that 90 also, if your people don't feel that these are the activities, take it as an activity and which is just for communication, and we are all in the same class and we are for just learning purpose we are doing this. There is not much more or less, or there is no any comparison, or there is no question of let's say, if I made a mistake, then what other will think like this. So take it like this. Okay. Okay, all right. Again, we people can think of Shambhu Raji is ready for next time also. So if no one is there, we'll give chance to you, Shambhu Raji. Because right now I can see Rutuja is there. So we'll take off Rutuja. Then already Krishna said he will be next time and you will be there, Shambhu Raji. So 3 candidates, we are going to get it. Fine. So let's go back and we'll just do some exercise based on types of sentences. Quickly, you people just try to tell me what is in this slides, and so that we will close it. Rather, I'm of the opinion that instead of just teaching, we should have such kind of activities only. So why you people just wanted to learn a kind of only theoretical part? Why shouldn't we learn it practically? So you people think over it. Whenever you people are ready, I'm here to give you a chance only. And those who are coming ahead, taking lead, participating, they will get benefited. Those who are thinking that's not useful, those who are thinking that maybe different views might be there. So it is as per their thinking. So let's try to think of this here one exercises. And this exercise is all about convert the following sentences into assertive sentences. We have done it in previous session, types of sentences. So the given sentences are into different form. So people have to change them into assertive. Okay. So let me know how people are going to do it. First sentence here that says, how kind of him to help the poor man? What will be its assertive? Assertive sentence of this. The given is exclamatory. Okay, at the end there is exclamation mark, so that is exclamatory, and we wanted to convert it into assertive. So we have seen the structure of assertive is it begins with subject, then we people go with verb, and then we people get remaining part. Usually it can be object or complement, and full stop is there. So how kind of him to help the poor man? So to help the poor man, that is additional part of the sentence. The actual sentence, you can just take it how kind of him. Okay. And if you're not able to do, I will just do it one for you. So the subject is not mentioned here. So you can begin like this. It is very kind of him, and to help the poor man, it will be as it is. So we have converted the exclamatory sentence into assertive like this. Okay. The next sentence, you just see, give me a cup of tea. You have to convert it into assertive. What do you say? How can convert it? Any idea? Is it audible? Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
So instead of converting into passive, Shubham, okay, that can be, but you can say, because in this sentence is imperative, okay, and we just need to put subject here. So you can just also add you as a subject, and remaining sentence you can put as it is. You give me a cup of tea. That will be as it is, or you can just add any phrase also like this. You should give me. You can add like this also, or you can just also convert them into passive like this. You are ordered, or you can say suggested, or you can also say requested to give me. Remaining sentence will be as it is. Okay, so that is also fine, but instead of that, we are not going to change much, and the sentence can be as it is. All right, then we'll go with next one. Are they wise enough to submit the proposal? That is verbal. Okay, so now we just think how we can make it assertive. So you can unmute and speak, because for typing you may get a lot of time, so it will be better to unmute and speak. Yes, I'm getting it from Ritesh and Shubham. So they are wise enough to submit a proposal. They are not wise enough to submit a proposal. proposal. So you can do it in both ways, Ritesh and Shubham, because usually when the question is in affirmative, we convert it into negative, but here we are not going to consider that also. If you are making it negative, that is fine. And if it is not negative, if you are just making it as it is, they are wise enough to submit the proposal, that is also okay. But usually it is with not. They are wise enough to submit the proposal. Yes, that is also right, Nikita. But you will try to understand the meaning as far as meaning is concerned. When you are converting into assertive, it will be they are not wise enough to submit the proposal. Meaning is taken like this. When the question is asked like this, are they wise enough to submit the proposal? Its assertive meaning will be taken is like this. They are not wise enough to submit the proposal. Okay, that's fine. Then next is what a pleasant surprise. What will be its assertive? What a pleasant surprise is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, yes, it is a very pleasant. You can add very here. A pleasant surprise. Nikita, if you want to make it assertive, you need to use it. Yes, it is a pleasant surprise. That will be a better. Then Ritesh, Shubham, Yash, everyone. Yes, all you people are right. Yes, Krishna. And here is the last one. Does the manager discuss all the issues with you? Does the manager discuss all the issues with you? I think that you people may take a lot of time for typing because you have to type it with keyboard and maybe not convenient for you this kind of activities. The manager discusses, you can say, or does discuss will also work all the issues with you. And as I told you, yes, you have to use discusses. The manager discusses the issues with you. The manager yes. Instead of using does, you can use discusses. That will be a better way to make it assertive. If it is does discuss, again, it will be a kind of, let's say, different meaning will be added if it is does discuss. All right, so if people are doing it, or you can just also make it negative also like this. The manager does not discuss all the issues with you. That can be also. So we'll go to the next slide with next exercise. And this time you people have exercise like this. Convert the following sentences, imperative sentences into assertive. Okay. So all sentences are imperative and you are going to convert them into assertive. Please be quiet in the library.
You be quiet in library.
Yes, Ritesh, you're right. You be quiet in the library, or you can add any models also. You should be quiet in the library. That can be. Or also you can make it passive like this. You are requested to be quiet in the library. That is also going to work. All right. With this next sentence, close the door. Shubham, the door should be closed. Yes, that is also into passive. Yes, Pratni, you are requested to close the door. She closes the door. Okay. Yes, that is also right. All you people are right it and different ways by making it. You are requested to close the door. She closes the door and you are requested to close the door. All examples are right. And the door should be closed. Even that also becomes assertive here. You should close the door. Yes, Praveen. All right. Then next we will talk here. Don't be so rude to him.
You should be kind to him.
Okay, you should be kind to him. You can make it affirmative also. You can also use model also. You should not be so rude to him. That is also okay. You should be yes, that is also, you should be polite with him. You should not be so rude to him. That is also right, Pradnya. Yes. All right. And here is the last one from this. Go to office and start the work. How we can make it? Okay. Yes, Nikita, you should go to the office and start the work. You should go to office and start the work. Yes. All right, Shubham. And you can use your ordered also. Your ordered also. You should go to office and start the work. Yes, Krishna. So you can also say that you are ordered to go to office and start the work. That is also fine. All right. So then we'll move towards the next, and next is here. Convert the following assertive sentences into imperative. Very simple exercise is this. Now sentences are assertive, convert them into imperative. You have to attend the seminar. Attend the seminar. Yes, Nikita. So what you're going to remove? You're going to remove this part. Yes. Yes, Pradnya. All right. So that becomes imperative. You must keep quiet. Yes, Nikita, Ritesh, yes. So just try to remove the subject. Yes, Saifa. This part will be removed. Next is you don't go there. Yes, Nikita. Simply remove you. It will be don't go there. If you're going to say go there, that will be negative. Yes. Don't go there. Don't go there. Yes, Saifa, Suraj. Akanksha, yes. Don't go there. Next is now. Yes. The Sakshi, Nikita, Yash. You are going to remove subject and modal auxiliary. Ritesh, you have to remove the subject you. Come on time. We are converting into assertive. Okay. Come on time. Yes, Akanksha. Yes, Pradnya. And here is the last one. Don't be late. Yes, that can be also. You can make it negative also. Yes, please come on time. Yes, Shubham, that is also. You can add because that becomes imperative. In imperative, whether you want to use request, order, or what, it is your choice. Here we are not dealing with that. But if you're saying please come on time, that is fine. Okay, and then here is the last one. We are going to talk about you must complete the assigned work in time. So this is also complete the assigned work in time. Rutuja, Nikita, yes. Ritesh, complete the assigned work in time. Complete the yes. Pradnya, Prasad, Akanksha, Yash, Sakshi, Neha, and everyone who is trying to do like this. Sakshi also other. You people are going to remove complete the assigned work in time. That is fine. So you must ignore this. Means what, Suraj? Will you explain? Aditya, what is this? JF, JIJ. What you are sending, Aditya? So don't send anything. All
No,
right.
sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, Aditya.
सर आता लिहिताना जरा हे झालं मला आन्सर टाकत होतं ते हँग झालं मोबाईल म्हणून तसं पडलं सर.
It's all right. It's fine me. So next slide, it is talking about transform the following interrogative sentence to assertive. Now given sentences are interrogative, convert them into assertive. First one is, did you pay the bill? Okay, all right, Suraj, you should pay the bill. Shubham, it should be pay the bill. Okay. So if you want to convert it into assertive, you can use subject in the beginning, that is you, and then you are going to use verb. That verb is Nikita. Don't change the tense. We need to keep as it is. Okay. If you are going to say you will pay the bill, that is into future tense. But from this you will come to know this is into simple past. You need to keep it simple past. Okay, so you did plus pay will become paid. You paid the bill, or you can make it negative also. You did not pay the bill. So that can also work. Yes, Vaishnavi, Pradnya, all of you are right. Shubham, pay the bill. Here we want to make it assertive. So Shubham Bansode, you just try to use subject also. All right, then we'll go for second one. Are you ready to leave? Make it assertive. Okay, yes. Yes, you are ready to leave. Yes, everyone. I can see so many responses now because I cannot read everybody's names. Saipa, Prajakta, Vaishnavi, Ratuja, Nikita, Vaishnavi, Neha, Pradnya, Shubham, everyone, Nikita. Yes, you are ready to leave. That becomes assertive, or you can make it negative. Try to understand. You can make it negative also. You are not ready to leave. The next is, are they not sure to lose the matter? Yes, simply you are changing it. You're changing it to subject in the beginning and then verb. They are not sure to lose the matter, or you can remove not this time also. They are sure to lose the matter. Yes, Pradnya, Yash, Shubham. Yes, Krishna, Neha, Rutuja, yes, everyone, fine. And here's the last one. Who doesn't know him? Convert this. Yes, here I got it from Nikita. Doesn't know who him. No, Aditya will just make it correct. Everybody knows him. Prasad, that's fine. Ritesh, yes, that is correct. Everybody knows him. You can make it here. Who doesn't know him? It means that you're making it positive, and who doesn't means everyone. Okay, who doesn't means everyone knows him. Yes, Yash, Rutuja, Sakshi, all of you people are right. Everyone knows him. That is going to become assertive of it. Then here many people will go for convert the following assertive sentences into interrogative. You have to make it interrogative while making make verbal question or yes no question. He will never learn manner. Someone doesn't know him, that will also okay. Pradnya. Will he never learn manner? Okay, Yash. Ritesh. Okay, if you are making WH also, when will he learn the manner? That is also, but here you can just make it verbal question. Will he never learn manners? Rutuja, won't he? That will be a question tag. Will he learn manner? You need to use will he ever or never. Yes. Only will he learn manner, that is interrogative, but we should not change the core meaning of the sentence. So ever or never will be okay. Yes, you are not audible. I think that if you are going to ask something, you are not audible. Okay, Rohit,
It
Prasad.
remains, sir, when I
Uh-huh.
was typing.
Yes, it's all right. Prasad, will he ever learn a manner? Oh, yes, all right. I can understand that while typing because it is you people are using keyboards and because of that you're not able to type it properly. Yes, if you're making it WH, when will Rohit? You have to make it like this. When will he learn manner? It will be like this. Will he learn manner? Right? Actually, yes. Yes, all right. Then let's go to the next. The workers are not going on strike. Okay, aren't the workers going on strike? Are workers going on strike? Yes, Yash, Ritesh, Aditya, Nikita, Krishna. Yes, you people are getting it. Okay, so who are not going on strike? Yes, that is also, you can make it WH. Shubham, where the workers, you need to use helping verb here, Prajakta. No, Shubham, where the workers, Immediately after WH word, you are going to use Shubham. Where are the workers not going? Like this. Neha, are the workers going on strike? Sakshi, here we people are in plural. We are having workers, so don't change into worker singular. Are the workers not going on strike? That is fine. Okay, all right, you people are getting it. Are workers not going on strike? Yes, that becomes interrogative. Next is here, the production unit was equipped with latest machineries. Where here, the production unit was equipped with latest machineries. We'll go to next sentence afterwards, Nikita. So you can just try to see, was the production unit equipped with latest? Yes, Prasad, Pradnya, Ritesh, Yash. Yes, you are doing it. Nikita, yes, you are also right. Was the production unit equipped with latest machineries? Yes, that's all right. Fine, then we'll talk about this sentence. The guest arrived late for the function. Yes, Nikita thought. Now we'll go to the next sentence. The guest arrived late for the function. Okay. Okay, Aditya, who arrived, then did the guest? Yes, Nikita. Pradnya, did the guest arrive? Okay. Vaishnavi, yes. Ritesh, yes. Ritesh, you can make it negative also. Didn't. Yes. Shubham, yes. Yes, Shubham, that is fine. Rutuja, did the guest? Yes, that is. Rutuja, if you're using did, then arrive has to be used in first form, not in arrived. Okay. Who did arrive? Okay, that is also fine, Saifa. Krishna, yes. Right. Prasad, yes, right. All right. Sakshi, you have to use did the guest arrive? Yes, all right. Fine. Then here is the last sentence from this slide. Ananya doesn't refuse to talk with her friends. Okay, Rutuja. Doesn't Ananya refuse to talk? Yes, Pradnya. Yash, does Ananya? Yash, usually we people use does and not. Helping verbs immediately not. It is, yes, all right.
Okay, sir.
You can, doesn't Ananya, you can use.
Yes, sir.
Ritesh, yes, all right. And Shubham, doesn't Ananya. Okay, fine, fine. Yes, you people can now get it. I think that all you people are trying to understand, because what you people have studied in previous slide, that was simply how you can convert any sentence. It can be from one form to another, assertive to interrogative, interrogative to again assertive, or assertive to imperative, imperative to exclamatory also. And that will be a kind of a simple way that you people can use it in your communication, maybe in your writing, or it can be you need to use it in your oral communication also. That will be useful for you. Yes, WH question also, Saifa. What does Ananya refuse? Now here, transform the following exclamatory sentences into assertive. How big that mango tree is. So you take a time and make it correct. How big that mango tree is. Yes, Nikita, I got it. Rutuja, yes. Prasad, Pradnya, yes. You're doing it. You're making it. Everyone. So when we want to convert, so you need to use subject. So subject is that mango. Tree is subject, that will come in the beginning. The verb itself is your is. And what you're going to do, you're going to remove how you're using very and you're putting will. Yes, Vaishnavi and Rutuja and Neha. You people are doing it right. Next is what a beautiful picture it is. Nikita, yes, it is a very beautiful picture. You can add very here also. Prasad, yes. Rutuja, picture. I think that you need to use it is. Rutuja, you have to use it is a very beautiful picture like this. Ritesh, yes, you're right. Akanksha, you're right. Pradnya, you're right. Krishna, you're right. Yash, it is right. Saifa, you're right. Nikita Tar, yes, you're right. And Shubham, you're also right. A most beautiful, no, Shubham, no. It is a most beautiful picture. We do not use most because most is used mostly in superlative degrees. So don't use most. Then Rutuja, it is very beautiful. You can use article a Rutuja. It is a very Rutuja Tangle.
Yes, sir.
You're right. Yes, Siley. Yes, everyone is right. Now you just talk of this sentence and how think about how you can convert it. Hurrah, we have won the match. Yes, you can do like this. That's great. 2-1, Nikita, we do not use, after 2, we do not use second or third form of verb. You have to use first form of verb only. Okay. So yes, Prasad, we are excited because we have won the match. Finally, we have won the match. Okay, Neha, that is fine. We have won the match. Yes, Krishna. Yes, all right, you people can make it. Like it is one of the most beautiful picture. So Shubham, if you're using it is one of the most, then you people need to make it plural. When there is one of the, it means that next noun you are using it in plural. It is one of the most beautiful pictures. It will be correct, Shubham. Don't use picture because picture will be singular here. Okay, so in case of this, simply you can remove this exclamation and your sentence can become assertive. We have won the match, that is also fine. And what you people have just added, that is also fine. Now think about this and try to make it, if only I were a king. Yes, Paratna, that is also. Aditya, no, you cannot use now I were. So first of all, you might be having question, how can we use I were? Will tell me when we people use I were. So does anyone have any idea when do we use I where or where is used? You may think that this is wrong, but this is not wrong. This is used. This is right.
If there are plurals,
If there are,
plural, we use where.
okay. We're not talking about any
When
error.
king
Yes, Prasad.
when king assumes himself as a great and
Okay. So I will explain here. All of you pay attention. When you want it to be something which is a kind of wish, generally you are expressing a wish which is extremely ambitious, or maybe sometimes it is impossible also. Okay. That time instead of using I was, it will be I were. Okay. So here in this king, becoming a king, it is not a reality or it is not going to be happen also. So in that case, it is used I were a king, and that is right because that is a wish and it is not going to be real. In other examples, I would like to give you that you might have just got some topics for writing essay like this. If I were a bird. Okay. In such cases, you people are using I were and not I was. Try to remember this is right. You can use or I were a tree. Or you can also think like this, if I were. Usually it is for conditions of if only, if I were. In other cases, it is not. If I were the Prime Minister of India or something like this. So these things which you assume to be, but in reality, practically you can't be for such things. Okay. So it is right. If only I were a king, this is correct sentence. And if you wanted to convert it into assertive, you can convert it like that. I wish to be a king. So that will become its right. I can see that could happen if I were a king. Okay. Prasad, you can do like this. I wish I would be king. Yes, Yash Kolwar. That way also you can do. Or I wanted to, I want to be a king. That is also fine. You can't do like this. I was a king will be wrong sentence. Shubham, Saifa. It will be wrong. If you're just using I was a king, it will not be. Even that is also not okay. Yes. All right. So let's see if any additional slide is there or not. Yes. Here is probably that might be the last one. So convert the following assertive sentences into exclamatory. You are going to convert it into assertive now. It is fine, very fine weather. Tell me, exclamatory. So now there you might be having difficulties here. So if it is fine weather, you people have to think about with article. So nobody will use article. It will be how fine weather it is. That will be correct. If you're using what a fine weather, that will not be okay. I think that Shubham. What a fine, that will be here. If you're just using with fine or article a is used or an is used, in that case we people begin with what? If there is no article is used, in that case we begin with how. Okay, yes. So fine weather, that way also different ways you people can use here. Pradnya, okay, you are going for next. Okay, okay, fine. Next, second sentence. You people talk with second sentence. It is joyful that I won a lottery. Pradnya has done, hooray, we have won a lottery. That is okay. And you can make it in different way also. How joyful it is that I won a lottery. Yes, Nikita. Hurrah, I won a lottery. Yes, Prasad, that is also right. You can make it in two ways. Hurrah, I won a lottery. That becomes exclamatory. And you can also make it like this. How joyful that, how joyful is it that I won a lottery? That also you can keep as it is. That I won a lottery, that you people can keep as it is. Your sentences, that is joyful. You can think of this only. And whatever the exclamatory sentence you are making, you can connect the remaining part to that part. Okay, Nikita, you can do like this also. Yay, I won a lottery. Hurrah, I won a lottery. That is right. Then go for next. It is sad that I could not qualify the competition. It is sad that I could not. Okay, Nikita, how sad it is that I could not qualify. Here also same. That and remaining part is you can attach as it is to the exclamatory sentence. Your sentences, it is sad. Okay, try to convert that sentence only, and after that attach remaining part. How sad it is. Okay, how sad it is that I could not qualify the competition. That is as it is. All right. Yes, Ratuja. Krishna, yes, you can do this way also. So sad I could not qualify the competition. Prasad, how unlucky and sad is different things, no? So sad I could not. Okay. Okay, Prasad, that's fine. So sad. All right. All right. And then here we are with next sentence. Try to convert this. Okay, Pradnya. He is a very noble man. So let's try to see what a noble man he is. What a noble man he is. Okay, Nikita, Yash, Ratuja, Ritesh, Ratuja again, Prajakta, Neha, yes, Shubham, Pradnya, Saifa, Prasad, Nikita, Sakshi, Saili, yes, everyone is right that what a noble man he is. So this becomes your exclamatory. And here's the last one. You seem to be much upset. You seem to be much upset. Yes, Nikita, you have done it. Ritesh, yes, you have done it. Rutuja, you people have to think about. Yes, yes, it is right. You have to remove seems, Rutuja. Okay, so it can be like this. How upset you seems to be come at the end, not in the beginning. How you seems to be much upset. Much will be removed. Okay, fine. So that
Sir,
was the
it seems or seem.
How upset you seems to be. It will be seems.
Okay, sir.
Let me check first.
Because in sentence it seems.
You seem, no seems. It is seem. You seem
Yes.
means it will be like this. How upset you seem to be. After you, it is seem. So there is no s. It is seem only. All right. Any questions? Any suggestions? Any new topics? Maybe next time we people will talk in short about simple, complex, and compound sentences after presentation. Okay. Shubham, what do you mean starting O? O, you seem to be very upset like this. You seem to be much upset like this. Shubham. Yes, you can start like this. Oh, that should be an, because exclamatory sentences are all about your expressions. Okay, so if you're showing oh, how you seem to be much upset as it is, and at the end if you are mentioning here exclamatory mark, that is also going to work. All right, so we'll take attendance right now. Yes, Nikita, that will also work. Fine. So I'll take attendance of division A. So all of you just stay connected and pay attention. Roll number 1 is absent today from division A. 2, 3 absent. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 absent. 9, 10, 11, 12 absent. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 absent. 37, 38, 39 absent. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 absent. 45, 46 absent. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Then 54, 55, 56 absent. 57, 58, 59, 60 absent. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 66 is not there. 67, 68. 69 and 70 are not there. So from division A, absent numbers are like this. Roll number 1, 3, 8, 12, 36, 39, 44, 46, 54, 55, 56, 60, 66, 69, and 70. Anyone present? Okay, division B, all of you just be ready. Division B, roll number 1, 2 absent. Then 3, 4, 5, 6 absent. And 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 absent, 18 absent, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 absent, 24, 25, 26, 27 absent, then 28, 29 absent, 30, 31, 32 absent, 33, 34 absent, 35, 36, 37, 38 absent, 39, then 42, 43 absent, 40, 41, 42, and 43 absent, 44, 45, 46 absent, 47, 48 absent, 49, 50, 51, 52 absent, 53, 54 absent, 55, 56, then 57 to 60 absent, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66 absent, 67 absent, 68, 69 absent. So from division B, I can see roll number 42. You are not with serially, Sudarshan. If it is audible, just try to check. Next time also join on time. So absent numbers from division B are roll number 1, 2, 6, 17, 18, 23, 27, 29, 32, 34, 37, 38, 40, 41, 43, 46, 48, 51, 52, 54, 57, 58, 59, 60, 66, 67, and 69. Anyone present from division B? Just let me know. All right, so yes, you can also be ready next time. Let's see if we get time. We'll just continue with 4 candidates because now I want maximum participation. Don't be rely on this theoretical part that will learn voice, and we have done with voice and tense and types and everything. So now we need to find out what problems we are facing, where we are facing difficulties, our confidence level, how we can prepare ourselves on one topic. Maybe we are going to have dialogues also, situational conversations also. So there you can prepare in a pair also. Okay, so that's fine. You people, I hope that you people are doing it and you'll do it. So every day you just take a little effort to go to next level in your communication. Okay, so with this I would like to stop here. I will end this meeting. Should I end this meeting now, or anything that you would like to say? So somebody just reply yes, no.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So I will end it.